Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, in this video, I will be listening to our very own Indian dentist rapper, AKB. Yes, so this song, as if we all know that he gives us one song every month, and I am so freaking happy that we have again got a Gujarati rap song. AKB is playing to his strengths, and I'm very, very happy to see that. I hope we get more Gujarati raps and collabs this year. So 2025 is the year for Gujarati rap, huh? I'm hoping so. I'm hoping so at least. So this song is called Sambhar Mari Vat. Listen to me. Sambhar Mari Vat. So you better listen to me right now. Produced again by Hippie Jack. So is this Hippie Jack's first Gujarati rap production? Am I right? Or not? Anyway, so let's listen to this song right away. It is subtitled, so I'm very, very happy. Let us go. Oh, dentist. Wait. Then, oh, okay.
સાંભળ મારી વાત આ દુનિયામાં ખતરો છે માન મારી વાત વાંચવાનું બંધ ના કર જ્ઞાન ચાલુ રાખ કોઈ બીજા નહીં રાખે તું ध्यान તારું રાખ દોસ્ત સાંભળ મારી વાત આ દુનિયામાં ખતરો છે માન મારી વાત વાંચવાનું બંધ ના કર.
It's like two versions of him. Maybe I don't know, I'm just guessing this, but maybe one is probably trying to, because he's like, oh, dost, maybe he's talking to his other version, who is probably more carefree and does not care and does not understand the dangers of the world, because he's saying don't stop reading, educate yourself, keep learning, don't ever let go of that learning curve. Interesting. See, nobody will help you. Kind of like a warning.
દોસ્ત સાંભળ મારી વાત આ દુનિયામાં ખતરો છે માન મારી વાત વાંચવાનું બંધ ના કર જ્ઞાન ચાલુ રાખ કોઈ બીજા નહીં રાખે તું ध्यान તારું રાખ. હું શું કહું તને મોટી મોટી કંપની ના મોટા મોટા લોકો પૈસા માટે કરે ખોટું કામ એમને રોકો સાયલેન્સ ને તોડો ને જો ઘર ખોલો તો મોંમાં જે મૂકો એ પહેલા તમે સોચો કે આજ વસ્તુ ખાઈને કેટલું જીવે છે લોકો. No, you don't know what's in your samosas and pandas and momos. હું કહું છું આ બધું છોડ કર કસરત ને દોડ ગંદી આદત ને તોડ ફાયદો છે એમને અગર રહી જાય.
Oh, this is like this. Oh my god. Okay, I got the gist of the song. It's more like trying to, I wouldn't say, I was gonna say motivational, but it's more like conscious. It's like a conscious rap, like, okay, listen to, I'm trying to warn you that you are the only one who's in control of your life, because there are all these big companies, and we know this, they profit off us, and the stuff that we eat and the food, it's all adulterated, and we all know this, but I think it's so, no, it still needs to be like ingrained in our head that we need to like literally stop and take care of ourselves, because yeah, they're just, the companies are there to earn profit. So, and then if you fall sick, the big pharma companies, they lobby to the doctors, and then obviously they earn. So it's like this vicious cycle.
They making crores when you eat on the road, cause it's making you sick.
Yeah, medical industry, exactly.
સમજ મારી વાત chips અને સોડા કદી માંગવા નહીં પેકેટ પર જે લખ્યું બધું માનવા નહીં પૂછ થોડું થોડું પૂછ થોડું થોડું લૂચ મોડું તારું થોડું લૂચ મોડું થોડું ભોજન છે ભગવાન તો મંદિર છે રસોડું. Who's going to do the right thing to stand up and fight, man? Every single bite, man. Toxins and colors and pizzas and burgers, they trying to murder us with 10 kilo khand and 5 kilo butter. આજ બધું નાખીશ તું ગટમાં.
I have never heard a song made on this topic. I'm proud of you, AKB. Proud of you. I have never. This is the first time I'm hearing a song, and this is like literally the need of the hour. This is the need of the hour. I've never heard anyone make a song like this, like which is like a direct dig on the corporates.
માં તો બની જશે ગટર તું કેમ નાખે છે તારા પેટમાં સડેલું તેલ ના ખાઈશ તું જલેબી ના ખાઈશ તું ભેલ ના સોચ ના કે ये सब है खेल परीक्षा है लाइफ की ये मत होना फेल
Yeah.
સાંભળ મારી વાત આ દુનિયામાં ખતરો છે માન મારી વાત વાંચવાનું બંધ ના કર જ્ઞાન ચાલુ રાખ કોઈ બીજા નહીં રાખે તું ध्यान તારું રાખ દોસ્ત સાંભળ મારી વાત આ દુનિયામાં ખતરો છે માન મારી વાત વાંચવાનું બંધ ના કર જ્ઞાન ચાલુ રાખ કોઈ બીજા નહીં રાખે તું ध्यान તારું રાખ દોસ્ત
I like how the music is also like very subtle. Yeah, the quality of your decisions will decide the quality of your life. I am so freaking proud of this guy. Very, very good. Okay, let me stop this. You know what I like about AKB is that he is, you know, it's not like he hasn't established himself in his career. He is already a dentist, a pediatric dentist. And this is something that is his passion. And I always like that he's not trying too hard, which I like. What I really, really like about AKB here is that when it comes to expressing himself through songs, through rap, basically, if you have followed his journey, if you notice the lyricism and all of that, it's just like how he presents himself, which is what I like about him. You know, we categorize rapper as, oh, this is like a more commercial rapper, oh, he's lyrically so good and his flows are so good. So all of that, yes. But for AKB, I would say he's very authentic in the sense that he's very direct and he knows that, okay, this is the kind of artist I am and this is the point I want to get across to the audience, and this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to be as straightforward as I can, and that's my strength. That's my strength. I'm not trying to overdo anything which I know that it's not in my zone or I'm not comfortable. This I have realized about him. After listening to him for so many like long months, basically. So that's why I really, really appreciate him. And I know that, see, every artist likes recognition. Every artist, when you're putting out, when you're making a video, you know, there's a lot of man hours that you put. You have a team and all of that. And any artist would want that virality, that social media recognition, that social media fame, that fame in the industry. Everybody wants that, and that's a very good validation that you get for your own artistry, right? But I feel that I'm sure he also would love that kind of appreciation, that viral appreciation. But I also feel that he is a very secure person in himself. Like whenever I listen to his songs, like I said, that's why I feel that he never overdoes it. And when he raps for every song, whatever message, if it's a romantic one, if it's like this conscious rap, if it's a flex, if it's a fun song, anything, it's very direct in terms of sharing the message. So I like that. And this, like I said, I have never heard any artist do this. This was like literally the first time. And I'm really, really happy that I listened to him. And I'm really happy that because of that, I know that, okay, there's a song like this exists. So well done. I'm really very, very happy with this song. Amazingly executed. And Hippie Jack, I think he gave a really good beat in the sense that it was never overwhelming. The message was more important for this song, not the beat. This song was not meant for us to groove, meant for us to vibe. No, this was like sit up and listen. Literally, the song name is Listen to Me. So that was the intent of the song, and I think the intent was achieved really well. So yes, I really loved it. Like I said, I was not expecting any artist to talk like this about like a direct dig on the corporates. Amazingly done. So yes, that was the reaction to Sambar Mari Vat. Yes, Listen to Me by AKB, our very own Indian dentist rapper. And I'm gonna sign off now. Hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.